Good day, pupils. How are you today? I hope you're fine and you're happy. I am happy too. Let's quickly sing this song before we go over to today's lesson. We are H-A-P-P-Y. We are H-A-P-P-Y. We know we are sure we are H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. We are H-A-P-P-Y. We are H-A-P-P-Y. We know we are sure we are H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. My name is Ofre Kokome. Today we are going to be looking at the subject letter work. Let me share that with you, okay? You can see it now, right? Yes, letter work. And the topic for today is beginning sound. The beginning sound, everybody. Beginning sound. Okay, so let's go over to the first slide that we'll be talking about, which is letter sound. We are going to sound this letter just like we have been doing before in our physical classes. Now let's start. Sounding of letters. Letter A sound A as in apple. Letter B sound B as in ball. Letter C sound K as in cat. Letter D sound D as in dog. Letter E sound E as in egg. Letter F sound F as in fish. Letter G sound G as in goat. Letter H sound H as in house. Letter I sound E as in ink. Letter J sound J as in dog. Letter K sound K as in kettle. Letter L sound L as in leg. Letter N sound N as in mango. Letter N sound N as in net. Letter O sound O as in orange. Letter P sound P as in pot. Letter Q sound Q as in queen. Letter R sound U as in rabbit. Letter S sound S as in sun. Letter T sound S as in table. Letter U sound U as in umbrella. Letter V sound V as in van. Letter W sound W as in watch. Letter X sound K as in X-ray. Letter Y sound Y as in yam. Letter Z sound Z as in zebra. Now, before we go over to the next slide, which is 2-letter words, I would like us to go to our whiteboard and illustrate it first before going over to the next slide. Okay? Now, let's do that. Okay, that is it. Remember, we know how to sound our letters, isn't it? Just like we have done now. We have sounded letter A to letter Z. Now, with the sound of the letter, we are going to formulate our 2-letter words. Now, for example, we have this letter here. We have this letter here. Can we see it very well? Yes, that is it. Say it after me. Okay. Now we are going to add something to another letter to it. Okay. Now. Plus we give you plus we give you okay, let's write that. Plus we give you okay. Now let's type in another letter, but this time you will be the one to sound the letter that is going to be written on the screen. Okay, now we have this and I would like you to sound it. Okay? What do we have there again? Good. And it will give us what? Good. We have a plus we give us an. The first one is a plus which gives us an. The second one is a plus n, and it gives us an. Okay? Now, let's go over to our notebook. Okay? Now we have this, isn't it? 2-letter words, just like we are seeing on the screen right now. We have and we have we have can we see it? And the second one is plus which is and it will give you an. Can we see it there? Okay. The third one is plus which is as. It will give you as. The fourth one is plus which is it, which will give you what? To blend it together. There's a way you marry it together. By what? Sounding it. To take it to the next letter. From the first letter to the second letter. And it will give you at. Can you see it? Now, you will be the one to pronounce this. You'll be the one to sound it. Now, let's go. Okay, let me sound it so that you can check to see if you got it right. We have E, yes, because letter I sound E as in ink. So this letter I here sound E plus it gives you in, which is in. E plus in gives you in. And we have what? In. E plus gives you it, which is it. E plus gives you is, which is is. Plus gives you off, which is off. Okay, can we see these letters here? Okay, let's go over it again. We have a plus give you a plus gives you an a plus gives you as a plus gives you at plus sorry e plus gives you in e plus gives you it e plus gives you is all plus gives you off. Did you enjoy yourself? I enjoyed that. I can pronounce my 2-letter words now. Now, let's go over to 2-letter words because right now we have learned our 2-letter words, isn't it? Now, what do we have there? We have 2-letter words, isn't it? We have am. Remember when you say am, okay? I am a big ball. I am, the am there is what you are seeing here. Can you see there? The is I am a big boy. We have an egg, an egg, an egg. We have as big as my house. The ball is as big as my house. As. We have at, we have is. Can you see there? If, in, is. It, G-O, go. N-O, no. S-O, so. Off. All. T-O, to. D-O, do. U-P, up. H-E, he. M-E, me. W-E, we. B-Y, by. M-Y, mine. U-S, us. O-H, oh. It is used to show surprise. Oh, you mean mommy and daddy is around? Oh, there is used to show surprise. Okay? Having looked at this, we'll go over to our next slide, which is the beginning sound of 3-letter words. Now we know how to sound. We know each letter sound, isn't it? Now we are going to be looking at the beginning sound of what? 3-letter words. Say it after me. 3-letter words. Okay? Beginning sound of 3-letter words. Okay. Just like we can see now, we have cats, we have hat, we have mat, we have lots of pictures here. 3-letter that are showing what 3-letter words and their what spellings. But before we go into this deeply, I would like us to know the formation of these words. To know the formation of the words. Now, let's look at this. Let's go over to our whiteboard and then look at it, okay? Now, let's quickly erase this, okay? Now, we have can we see that? Okay. Let's look at it very well. We have plus a plus s. Can you see it? Which will give you what? Cats. It will give you what? Cats. Here we go. Cats. All of us know the animal called cat, isn't it? Haven't you seen a cat before? I know you have seen one. Now look at this very well. You can have can you see it? Already, we know this 2-letter word as what? Art, isn't it? Art. Now, there's a letter here that we are going to add to art. Already, we know this is pronounced as what? Art. So there's a letter here, and this letter, the sound of this letter is what? Isn't it? Yes. Letter C and as in cat, isn't it? Now, we have a C there, and the sound is k. So, k plus at will give us what? Cats. Now, let's write it there. Can we see it? Can you see the way 3-letter words are being formed? Yes, they are very what? Easy to learn. Say cat, everybody. Cat. We have k plus at. We have what? We give us what? Cat. Now, let's go over to our notes. Okay. This is how the 3-letter words are being formed. Remember what we just illustrated? K, at. K plus at. We give you what? Cat. We have cat here. H plus at. We give you hat. Plus at. We give you mat. 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 Say mat, everybody. Okay? So also we have can, we have fan. I want us to concentrate on the beginning sound because what we are looking at is the beginning sound. What we are looking at is the beginning sound. Now, let's pick one of these pictures here. Pig, for example. Can you see this? The pig here? What we are after is this sound here, the beginning sound. If you are looking at it, if you are pronouncing pig, we have pig, isn't it? But what we are after is the sound that comes first. What we are after is the sound that comes first, which is pig. So if, for example, we don't have the word there, something like this. Okay, thank you. We have this. This is a log of wood. A log of wood. So you can see now that what we're interested in is the beginning sound. So if this is, since this is a log of wood, we have og here. Log. Letter L sound as in what? Log. So what we are going to write here is what? The letter what? Who can tell me that? What letter are we going to write here? Excuse me. Okay. Here we go. What letter are we going to write here? We are going to write the letter L. Can we see it? Log. Say log, everybody. Log. What object is this? Can you pronounce what we are seeing here? Is a car. Say car, everybody. Car. And in this place already we have R. So what do you think is the beginning sound of car? Car. The beginning sound of car. Letter C sound K as in car. Isn't it? Now, what letter do you think we will write here? Okay. Let's see if you get that. The letter we are expected to write here is the letter C. Can you see it, everybody? Can you see it? Okay. Letter C. Can you see car? Already we have I here. And if you want to pronounce it now, you have car, car, car. Okay. Now, the next one is hat. Say hat, everybody. Yes, say hat, everybody. So, remember we are interested in the beginning sound. What is the beginning sound of hat? Can you tell me the beginning sound of hat? Okay, let's see if that is correct. The beginning sound of hat is this. Say, everybody, letter H sound as in hat. This is what we have here, hat. So also we have that of sun, we have that of bat, key. When you say sun, the beginning sound, the sound you hear first there is what? So we have letter S here. Then we have sun, an. This is an. Plus the letter S, we have what? Sun. We have bat. Letter B, sound as in bat. We have key. Letter K sound as in key. We have letter K here. We have what? This is a box, isn't it? This is we have ox here. So you add the letter B here to make it a box. Cap. This is a cap. Letter C, we have letter C here. Cap. To complete it, this is a tag. You have tag on your clothes. Okay? We have tag on things you want to buy, new things you want to buy in the shopping mall. You have tag of prices, isn't it? So this is T, tag. Letter T stands. This is letter T. Then we come to this place, we have rats. I know you have seen rats before. Yeah, I don't like them. Do you like rats? I don't like it. Okay, this is rat. Letter R sound as in rat, because it's the first sound you will hear when pronouncing the word rat. Okay, this is a bag. All of us have a school, we all have a school bag, isn't it? Bag. And the beginning sound is what? B, B. Letter B sound B, letter B sound B, as in what? Bag. Okay, we have a cat here. Letter C sound K, as in cat. That is the beginning sound. So we have what? A cat here. We also have another picture of objects that we can look at. Can you see this? This is a mat. So the beginning sound, letter sound here will be M. While the beginning letter sound here will be D. This is a D. So letter B sound B, as in B. Then this is lip. This lip. Can you see the picture there? Good. We have the letter L here. Then we have the letter, this is a map. Map is what tells you the location of places. Yes. When you have a map at your disposal, it will be able to tell you where your house is located, where your church is located. It tells you the location of what? Places. Map. So the beginning sound for map is map. Letter M sound as in what? Map. So our M will be here. We have 10. Letter T sounds as in 10. So this place we have the letter T. Then we also have this. What is this, everybody? It's a net. Yes, net. Already we have X here. The beginning sound for net is what? Letter N sound as in what? Net. Letter N sound as in what? Net. Letter N sound as in net. So your N will be here. We have egg. Letter E sound egg as in egg. That is what we have here. Letter F sound as in fan. This is a fan. Letter P sound as in pin. You have your letter P here. Yes. We have what? Okay. As in tap. As in tap. Letter T sounds as in tap. You have your letter T here. We have pan. Say pan, everybody. Pan. Letter P sounds as in pan. Now you're going to tell me what this is. This is a mug. Mug. Okay, mug. Letter M sound as in what? Mug. Okay. Do you enjoy yourself? I enjoyed myself. And I know you have learned a lot. But before we close this class, I would like us to look at all what we have done. Okay? Now I'm going to the second slide. We are expected to be able to mention the beginning sounds of 3-letter words. The beginning sounds of what? 3-letter words. Also, we are expected to be able to write 5 2-letter words, okay? Now, I went over to the next slide, which gives us the sound of each letters, which gives us the sound of each word letters, okay? This is it. and we looked at each of them one after the other. We looked at each of them one after the other by sounding them, isn't it? Okay, we can sound them again. Letter A, sound A as in apple. Letter B, sound B as in ball. Letter C, sound K as in cat. Letter D, sound D as in dog. Letter E, sound E as in egg. Letter F, sound F as in fish. Letter G, sound G as in goat. Letter H, sound H as in house. Letter I, sound E as in ink. Letter J, sound J as in jog. Letter K, sound K as in kettle. Letter L, sound L as in leg. Letter M, sound M as in mango. Letter N, sound N as in net. Letter O, sound O as in orange. Letter P, sound P as in pot. Letter Q, sound Q as in queen. Letter R, sound as in rabbit. Letter S, sound S as in sun. Letter T, sound S as in table. Letter U, sound A as in umbrella. Letter V, sound V as in van. Letter W, sound W as in watch. Letter X, sound as in x-ray. Letter Y, sound U as in yam. Letter Z, sound Z as in zebra. Okay. After that, we now looked at what? To the formation of what? Two-letter words, and we said, for example, A plus which gives you arm. From there we have arm. Isn't it? That's how we formed our two-letter words. And we looked at each of the words, two-letter words that are on your screen now, like arm, and, as. I would like you to say them after me. Arm, and, as, at, is, G-O, go. N-O, no. So, off, on, so, do, up, he, me, we, by, my, us, oh. Okay, let's look at the next slide, which is the beginning sound of three-letter words. The beginning sound of three-letter words. We have cat, we have hat, we have mat, we have lots of beautiful pictures there. We have 10. Oh, I can see we. Oh, pot. I love pots because mommy normally use pots to cook our meals at home. Pot. And what we are interested in is the beginning sound. Pot. Letter P sound as in pot. Okay, that's it, the beginning sound. Anything you measure, even in your house, you have a fan in your house, isn't it? Fan. The first sound that comes out from your mouth is what? And that is the beginning sound, okay? Let's go over to the next slide, which is, okay, also beginning sound, yes. There we would learn how to sound the beginning sound of three-letter words as well. Like what we have here, log, oh, log of wood, isn't it? We have car here. Wood, this is k, as in car. We have as in hat, as in sun, as in bat, as in key, as in box, as in cap, as in tag, as in rat, as in bag, as in cat. Okay? Okay. I think that is the end of the slide. Okay? Good. Thank you very much for this class. We have come to the end of the class. I enjoyed myself, and I know you also enjoyed yourself, and you have learned a lot concerning what? Beginning sound, the beginning sound of anything you say. I know you have learned a lot. Your assignment will be sent to you. Always read your books. It is very what? Important to do that. And remember to keep what? Safe. Stay indoors. Stay indoors. Always what? Wash your hands with soap and water. Remain safe. Bye.